So I went and finished it. I ended up getting busy and didn't record it, but hey, here it is. So again, this is an old TIE fighter that had no wings, and I 3D printed these guys. And this is a primer filler, the black. It actually does a lot more than just do a primer. It fills in all like spots that if there's cracks and stuff like that. It's really cool. It works really well. I'm not gonna link nothing to it because whatever. Again, this is not like the shows have them. Like, this is Darth Vader's, I guess, because it has the guns on it. But I thought it was pretty cool. And it's all hand painted. I didn't take out the airbrush this time because I would have to mask everything off. Ain't gonna happen. But tell you what, it is gonna get hung up with the rest of them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Is I am going to let this dry, and then it's gonna go up there. It's one of the more colorful ones that I have. Honestly, I love it. Anyway, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, and leave me a comment. And don't forget, if I can do it, you can do it. Choose your own path, guys. See you on the next one.